In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your URL in Base44. If you're updating a brand, cleaning up a link, or just making your app easier to share, changing the URL is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each screen is doing, and share a few tips so your new link is clear, consistent, and easy to remember. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left-hand navigation and choose All Apps. This view lists everything you have access to, which makes it the best place to begin when you're not sure where a project lives. If you manage a lot of apps, don't worry, there's a fast way to pinpoint the one you want. Use the Search Apps field to filter the list. Type a keyword from the app's name or any part you remember. As the results narrow, find the app you want to update and click it to open the editor. This takes you directly into the working area for that specific app, where you can access publishing options and settings tied to the live version. Next, head to the top right and click Publish. You're not pushing changes live yet, you're opening the publishing panel that controls where and how your app is available. In that panel, choose Web as your target. This is the destination that controls the public link anyone will use to reach your app in a browser. Selecting Web ensures you're editing the correct place for your URL. Now click Edit URL. This is where you'll change the link's path, often called the slug. Keep your new URL short, readable, and consistent with your naming style. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces and special characters, and rely on hyphens to separate words. Clear slugs help with sharing, search visibility, and user trust. If your organization follows a specific format, match that convention here so your links remain predictable across projects. Type in the new URL, double-checking spelling and any hyphens. Think about longevity. Pick wording you won't have to change again soon. Shorter is almost always better. When you're confident it looks right, click Change to apply it. The update may take a moment to propagate, and once it's set, your app will be reachable at the new address. Remember that anyone with the old link may need the updated one, so keep your team and stakeholders informed. That's it. Your Base44 app now has a clean, updated URL. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you make your change.